Good day, sir. I am Joseph Conrad de ABASTAS, and my co-member is ABENOJA from section S2AIR. So we are about to explain about the methods of transmitting and receiving a distress signal SOS through Morse light in accordance with call regs Annex 4 and International Code of Signals or ICS. So here's how to send and understand SOS with a light Morse code. When a ship is in trouble, it can flash the distress signal SOS using a light like a flashlight, searchlight, or Aldi's lamp. This is officially recognized under Call Regs Annex 4 in the International Code of Signals or ICS. So what SOS looks like in Morse code? So here example is 3 short flashes, 3 long flashes, 3 short flashes. Like this one. Short flash about half a second, long flash about 1.5 second, little pause between each. Repeat the whole sequence again and again until someone sees it. So why it matters? It's an official way to call for help at sea. Everyone is trained to recognize SOS as a sign of distress. If you see it, report it and assist it if you can. So that's how you relay message or send SOS through other nearby ships by using Morse code light.
5. Receiving and interpreting SOS signals. Watch standards and mariners should be trained to recognize the SOS Morse sequence. 2. On spotting the signal, the observer must 3. Recognize it as a distress call. 4. Alert the ship's command and begin emergency procedures. 5. Report the distress position via radio or other communication means if applicable.